Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to remap the DPI buttons on your Logitech G502 X Plus. Alright, so to do it we need to launch our Logitech G-Hub app, find your mouse, then click on it. Now we need to select the assignments. In here we have a preview of our mouse, and as you take a look, the G8 key and G7 key are used to control the DPI. We can go up and down, and for example, when we are playing a competitive game, we don't want to change our DPI by a misclick, by simply clicking on one of those buttons, like that. We don't want to do it accidentally, so let's remap those buttons. For example, let's remove them and let's assign the generic keys for the G8 key and G7 key. So first, let's go into assignments. Right in here we have the list. Let's select keys, and now from that list let's find some keys. Let's say that we will remap the DPI up for maybe the P letter. Simply grab it and now drop, and now the G7 key maybe for an L key. Alright, so now for example during a match in CS2, we won't accidentally switch the DPI level, and when we do it nothing will basically happen, because now I'll show you that in the search bar, for example, when I'll tap the button, it spams the P letter, and when I'll tap the G7 key, I'm clicking the L button. So during the gameplay nothing bad will happen, because we have simply remapped those functions. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.